Hey there, welcome. Today's quick tip is all about helping you pin faster and to save your time when it comes to marketing on Pinterest. So the tip that I'm going to share with you today is to do manual pinning on your phone. This means that even though I recommend that you create and upload your pins via your Pinterest desktop app because that is absolutely the fastest and easiest way to do so, that is not necessarily the case when it comes to doing manual pinning. Now, what do I mean by manual pinning? So manual pinning essentially happens when you take a pin of yours that you recently created and then you repin or resave it to other boards of yours. They could be boards that are private to your account, so any personal boards that you've created for your business, or they could also be group boards that you've created. Now, when you try to do this on the desktop app, it takes so much longer and it is extremely slow and painful for the exact same process that you can speed up with your mobile phone. For example, when you use your desktop to start repinning, you will notice that it is extremely time consuming to pin the same pin to more than one board, and you often have to go back and forth to repin that pin to multiple places. The same thing, however, is not true when you're pinning on your phone. So when you do manual pinning through your Pinterest app on your phone, you can pin the same pin much faster to various boards in one go without wasting a lot of time. So if you're someone who really values the time when it comes to doing your marketing, you absolutely need to shift your manual pinning efforts to your phone app so that you can speed up your marketing workflow as well as make sure that you're actually reaching the right target audience without wasting a ton of time on pinning. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how to leverage Pinterest as a marketing tool for your business, make sure to check out my free masterclass, which is linked in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.